Welcome to the Den of Tools.
Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the old Den of Tools. And today we got a video brought to you by electric screwdrivers. Hey, there we go. Yeah, we've all seen these before, and yeah. So anyway, this company reached out to me, and honestly, this is not their main thing. So if you're not interested in electric screwdrivers, and I don't blame you in the sense of this one, skip through the video, and towards the end you'll see where the silver lining is on this, because there is actually a really good product here, but it's not this yellow thing next to us. It's not terrible ish, but it's definitely not the best. You know what it is? It's an issue with the money. I mean, for $45, yeah, they've got a 5% off on it. As it's okay, you know, it does the job. I'm going to tell you right now, we're going to all cards on the table. It's not that well made. The torque setting on the front feels really plasticky and whatnot. The pivot function on it. Anyway, let me show you real quick the way this thing works. We're gonna I used it to change the turn signal, the rear turn signals out on the Suburban. So I figured, you know what, this will be a good thing. We'll take it out there, we'll put it through its paces, see how it did. It did the job. It was not a pleasure to work with, but you know what? It didn't struggle or anything. It feels cheap. But again, this is not what the company really does for the most part. They just had this tool and they wanted to showcase something that people might be interested in, because it's the real product they have is kind of hard to demonstrate in a cool and exciting way. So bear with us, if you will. Well, here you can see this is it. As I said, it's a basic, you know, we've seen a bunch of these screwdrivers. They do send it with a nice little case, you know, I mean, decent for these things, and a good amount of accessories, more than I normally see. Not enough to justify that $45 price tag. Again, the chuck on the end of it, I mean, at least it has one. It's not fun to use, but at least it's there. And of course, it does do the pivot function, which I do like. I like having the option of using it in both directions. That's a benefit to me. And the flashlight on the end, that actually was useful in this project to see what I was doing. Yeah, I know it's exciting, but this is the kind of stuff people use these kind of screwdrivers for. Light work, stuff like this.
So, gotcha.
Well, anyway, there you go. There you saw the screwdriver. As I said, it's nothing to write home about. It's a decent screwdriver. If it was $25, maybe consider it. If it was $15, sure, grab it, throw it in. You know, I like these styles of screwdrivers. I like the flashlight at the end. I always call them kitchen drawer screwdrivers, because that's a great thing to have there for that miscellaneous work. You got the flashlight, you got the double function screwdriver, the little case of bits. That's great and all. But here's where the company really shines, because they're really a fixture company, and that's what they do best. Let me reset the image so you can see everything there. They sell these boxes of fasteners. Now, granted, some of us over the years, we collect a lot of the stuff, but even if those of you collecting pieces and parts here and there, it's hard, especially if you're into any of these kind of projects, particularly like I do with 3D printers, stuff like this. You know, I've built 3D printers, I've built CNC machines. We've talked about this a little bit before. Boxes like this are a lifesaver if you're into any of those kind of hobbies and such. They've got all sorts of stuff. We've got crimpers, we've got brass fittings. Look at this stuff. I mean, they carry everything. This is just a company that fasteners is what they do. It's just not a really good way to showcase it on on a video like this. But I'm gonna put a link down below to. I'll put a link to the screwdriver because But I'm also gonna put a link to their fasteners because this is a way to if you don't have a bank of fasteners and stuff set up, you don't have the old baby food jars and stuff filled up. This is a quick and easy way to instantly get those things. So you always have that part you're looking for. If you are into these sort of projects, look at this. I mean, how many times are you like, oh my gosh, I need that pin. I've got a ton of them, but I don't have the right one. In this case, you're gonna have the right one. And they got a few other miscellaneous tools and stuff, but this is like the kind of thing you can build up over time, buy a box every month for a year, and next thing you know, you're stocked. You're just stocked, and you're going to have everything you need in your shop, and you're not going to have to worry about it. Anyway, so I do say, check them out for the fasteners, not so much for the electric screwdriver, okay? Anyway, as I said, this, they sent us this one here. I'm going to show you real quick the two packages they sent me. We're going to take a look at it. Anyway, that's all the bear has for you today. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.